Welcome, students. Today, we are going to learn about gaskets, which are extremely important components used in mechanical systems. A gasket is a mechanical seal placed between two or more mating surfaces to prevent leakage of fluids or gases when those surfaces are under compression. The primary job of a gasket is to fill any irregularities or imperfections between surfaces and create a tight seal. Gaskets are commonly cut from sheet materials, and they are widely used in pipes, machinery, engines, pumps, and flanges. In high pressure applications, older systems sometimes used asbestos based gaskets, but due to health hazards, non asbestos materials are now used. Some gaskets may also require sealant coating to improve sealing performance. Let's discuss some of its key characteristics. For a gasket to work effectively, it must be deformable and compressible. It should mold itself into small gaps and surface imperfections. Some gaskets rely on metal spring properties to provide sealing pressure. A good gasket must withstand compression, fill irregularities, avoid leakage, maintain sealing for long duration. This is why material selection is extremely important for every application. Gaskets are usually made from a flat sheet of material, and depending on application, different materials are used, such as paper, rubber, silicone, metal, cork, felt, neoprene, nitrile rubber, fiberglass, PTFE, or Teflon. One of the most important properties of industrial gaskets is compressive strength. To test this, a hot compression test is performed, and manufacturers often provide this data to ensure suitability of the material. Now let us discuss different gasket designs based on their application, pressure, and temperature requirements. First is sheet gaskets. These are the simplest and most common type. They are punched or cut from sheet material into the desired shape. Earlier, asbestos was used, but now it is replaced by fibrous materials and graphite. These gaskets are economical, flexible, and easy to install. They are suitable for general-purpose sealing. Second is solid material gaskets. These gaskets have higher strength and can withstand higher pressure and temperature. They are usually made of metal, which requires greater compression to seal properly. However, the metal must be softer than the flange to avoid damage. A drawback is that metals may oxidize or contaminate the process fluid, so material choice is critical. Next is spiral wound gaskets. These are advanced gaskets made by winding metal and filler materials in spiral form. The filler, such as graphite or PTFE, provides sealing, while the metal gives structural strength. They require lower clamping force compared to solid metal gaskets, but they are more expensive. These gaskets are widely used in high pressure and high temperature systems. And the last one is flange gaskets. These gaskets are specifically designed for pipe flanges. Flared flange ends increase surface area and help create strong sealing. They are categorized by inside and outside diameter and are available in many standard sizes. The major categories of flange gaskets are sheet gaskets, corrugated metal gaskets, ring gaskets, spiral wound gaskets. Let's understand each. Sheet gaskets are simple, cut to size, and are used based on fluid and temperature. Corrugated metal gaskets are designed to compress properly for sealing. Ring gaskets are solid rings used for extremely high pressure applications and can be in oval, round, or octagonal shapes. Spiral wound gaskets have stainless steel layers with graphite or faith filler formed in V shape and are used in heavy-duty pipelines. Now, even the best gasket can fail if the installation is improper. Let us understand the major causes of failure. Uneven distributed pressing force, often caused by human error, uneven bolt tightening, or insufficient number of bolts. This results in leakage due to poor sealing pressure. Stress relaxation and torque loss. Due to vibration, temperature changes, or long usage, bolt tension decreases over time. This leads to loss of torque and eventual leakage. Using long and thin bolts helps in maintaining torque for longer periods. Surface not smooth. Even if the gasket material is correct, a rough or poorly finished surface will not seal properly. The sealing surface must be flat, clean, and smooth to achieve a leak-proof joint. In conclusion, gaskets are critical sealing components in mechanical systems. Their performance depends on correct material selection, proper installation, uniform compression, smooth surface preparation. When designed and installed properly, gaskets provide reliable and long-lasting sealing, preventing costly leaks and machinery failures. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.